Good. Super. Nice frame. That's the frame. See, he came into that frame now by himself. We like that. And he's working from behind into the bridle. Super. Your position is wonderful there. Good. You can have a little bit shorter rein and keep your hands down in front of the saddle and together. Super. Nice. And then when you're ready, when you feel you're ready, then see if you can canter. Right. But let him flow into the canter. Yeah, sit up. Super. And forward. Keep him a little, yeah? Good. Super, Kegi. And the same thing in, yeah? Same thing in the canter. A little forward, a little back. Nice. Yeah. Move your hand a little bit. Super canter. Super canter. Yeah. He's a little bit crooked. Sit to the left. Don't fall to the right. Okay. Change direction immediately. Good. Yeah. And then canter left. Super. Yeah. Good. Push him into your outside hand. Give on the inside. If you need to, you can hold the strap in your right hand. Super Kegi. Super canter. Oh my God. Super. Yes. Nice. And your position is fantastic. I like it. Super canter. Good. And when you're ready, transition to trot. Get heavy. Loosen your hand. Loose and let go. Let go. Stop up a little bit and then push it forward again. Extension. Extension. Super. Pat him. Stopping up and walk. Give him a break. Pat him a lot. Super.